Let's work on today's technique. For more information, click on the link below. Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses. We're all about helping you stitch your love and love your stitches. If you're not familiar with gauge, this is the measurement of how many stitches you get in an inch, or in this case, a 4-inch width here, or 4 inches down, how many rows that you get. And this is in stocking stitch. Stocking stitch or stockinette is where the right side is all showing knit stitches. So when you flip it onto the reverse or on the wrong side, you're going to want to purl those stitches so that they appear as knit on the front. You're going to want to make a 4-inch wide or wider swatch and 4 inches long and measure how many you have. If you find that you've got too many stitches in that 4-inch period, then you're going to want to move up a needle size. If you have too few, then you're going to want to move down a needle size to get your blanket to be this size. If you don't do that, your blanket will be off. So this is the importance of a gauge swatch so that you can get your project to the right size that it's intended. Thanks for joining us today, where we help you stitch your love and love your stitches. See you again soon.